Good morning class 9. This is your part 2 video from exercise 6, that is problem on simultaneous linear equation. Today we start from question number 9. So our question number 9 is, you see, the ratio of the ratio of any two number is 2 upon 3. Okay, if 2 is subtracted from the first number, that means from the ratio from the first part you subtract 2, and 8 from the second part, the ratio become reciprocate. When you subtract 2 from the first part and 8 from the second part, the ratio become reciprocate. Find the original numbers. Okay, so let the two numbers be 2x and 3x, because ratio is given in this form. So this is our ratio, that is 2x and 3x. Okay, 2x and 3x. If 2 is subtracted from the first and 8 is subtracted from the second, the ratio become reciprocate, that 2 by 3 is converted by 3 by 2. Okay, so 2x minus 2 and 3x minus 8, cross multiply. Okay, so 2 2 ja 4x minus 4, 3 3 ja 9x minus 24. So 4x plus 9x came this side, minus 9x minus 24, minus 4 going this side, this is plus 4. So minus 5x minus 20, minus minus cancel, x equals to 20 by 5, that is 4. Okay, x is 4, so our number is 2x, that means 2 into 4 is 8 and 3x is 3 into 4, that is 12. So you see that the ratio is 8 by 12. When you cut it down, you got 2 by 3. That means your answer is matched. Okay, again you check 8 by 12. When you subtracted 2 from this and 8 from this one, you get 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2. Your ratio is reciprocate, you see. So that means our answer is correct. 8 and 12 are the two numbers. Okay. Now time for question number 11. If the numerator of a certain fraction is increased by 2 and denominator by 1, the fraction becomes equal to 5 by 8, and if the numerator and denominator are each diminished by 1, the fraction becomes equal to 1 by 2. Find fractions. Okay, first of all check the question. If the numerator of a certain fraction, I don't know what the fraction. First of all, let the fraction be xy. We taken this one is fraction. Okay, now if the numerator of a certain, numerator means upper portion, if the numerator of a certain fraction is increased by 2. Okay, so according to question, that is numerator increased by 2 and denominator by 1, that means y plus 1, the fraction become equal to 5 by 8. Clear? This is your fraction. When the fraction increase by 2, numerator increase by 2 and denominator increase by 1, the fraction becomes 5 by 8. Cross multiply, so 8x plus 2 and 5y plus 1. So 8x plus 16 or 5y plus 5. So 8x minus 5y, 16 plus 5 minus 16. This plus 16 going this side, minus 16. So 8x minus 5y equals to minus 11. This is your equation 1. Okay. Now, and if the numerator and denominator are each diminished matlab decreased. Okay, so numerator and denominator decrease is equals to 1 by the fraction become equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, cross multiply 2x minus 1 y minus 1 2x minus 2 y minus 1 2x minus y come this side minus 1 plus 2, so 2x minus y equals to 1. So 2x, this one come this side, that is minus 1 equals to y. So the value of y, this is our second equation, and use the substitution method. We know the substitution method. We get taking the value from the one equation and putting into the another one. So from this equation we find out the value of y. What is y? 2x minus y, and put the value of y in equation this. Okay, so putting value of y, so 8x minus 5y equals to minus 11. 8x minus 5, in place of y we write down 2x minus 1 equals to minus 11. 8x minus 10x minus plus 5 1 5 equals to minus 11. So minus 2x minus 11 plus 5 going this side is minus 5. So minus 2x minus 16, minus cancel, x equals to 16 by 2, that is 8. Okay, value of x is 8. Now time for the y. So 2 in place of x we write down 8 minus 1 equals to y, that is 16 minus 1 y, therefore y equals to 16 minus 1 is 15. So the fraction is we take in x upon 8, x upon y, in place of x we write down 8 and in place of y we write down 15. So the fraction is 8 upon 15. Okay, note. Question number 15. When a 2-digit number is divided by the sum of the digit, the quotient is 8. Okay, if the tens digit is diminished by 3 times the unit digit, the remainder is 1. What is the number? Please see the question. This question is difficult. When 2-digit number is divided by the sum of the digit, that means what? कोई 2 डिजिट का नंबर है, उसको किससे डिवाइड कर? उसके सम से डिवाइड कर. ओके, सो द क्वोटिएंट इज 8. इफ द 10 डिजिट is diminished by the 3 times the unit digit, so the remainder is 1. What is the number? Okay, so let the tens digit and unit digit number be x and y respectively. Okay, clear? So when 2-digit number is divided by the sum, so 2-digit number is, that means 10x plus y, because any number you think written 54, so how is 54 written? Is 10 into 5 plus 4, because 10 is written in the tens place, we consider 10 plus x, so 10 plus 10 into 5 plus 4. Clear? So this number, that means this number is divided by the sum of this one. Sum of this one means 5 plus 4, that is x plus y. What is when a two-digit number, any two-digit number, this is two-digit number. Okay, suppose this is two-digit number 24. How you write? 10 into 2 plus 4, it is divided by this one, sum of this one, that means sum of 2 plus 4, so x plus y. So the quotient is, the answer is 8. Okay, so cross multiply 10x plus y equals to this number is multiplied by 8x plus y. So 10x plus y equals to 8x plus 8y. So 10x minus 8x plus y minus 8y equals to 0. So 2x minus 7y equals to 0. Our first equation. Okay. Now if the 10 digit is diminished by the 3 times the unit digit, so 10th digit is x and is diminished by the 3 times the unit digit is y, 3 times the unit digit, so the answer is 1. So the remainder is 1. What the number? This is your equation 2. Okay, so the value of x is 1 plus 3y. We take out the value of x from the equation 2 and putting the value of x in the equation 1. So 2, right, putting value of x. So 2 in place of x we write on 1 plus 3y minus 7y equals to 0. So 2 1 ja 2 plus 2 3 ja 6y minus 7y equals to 0. So 2 plus 6y minus 7y, that is minus y equals to 0. So 2 equals to y. Therefore the value of y is 2. Okay. So x equals to 1 plus 3, y value is 2. So 1 plus 3 to 6, that is 7. So the x is 7 and y is 2. So the number is 72. You see, when a two-digit number is 72, when is divided by the sum of the digit, when it is divided by sum of the digit, that is 7 plus 2 is 9. So 72 divided by 9 is 8. So the quotient is 8. That means our answer is correct. Okay. So the number is 72. Question number 19. Four years ago, Marina was 3 times old as her daughter. 6 years from now, the mother will be twice as old as her daughter. Find their present ages. Okay. 4 years ago, Marina was 3 times old as daughter. 6 years from now, the mother will be twice as old as the daughter. Find the present age. Okay. So 4 years ago, Marina was 3 times old as a daughter. So let present age of Marina be x years and her daughter be y years. Okay. 4 years ago, Marina was 3 times. Marina was 3 times as old as daughter. So according to question, that is 4 years ago. That means Marina is also 4 years less and her daughter is also 4 years less, and 3 times. Who is 3 times? Her daughter is 3 times. Okay, Marina was 3 times old as daughter. So equals to is given. Suppose Marina is 12 and her daughter is 4. So equals to, that means 3 times here you multiply. That's why then is getting equal. Okay. So this is Marina's age and this is the daughter age, and multiply by 3 because Marina is 3 times old. So x minus 4, 3y minus 12. So x minus 3y minus 12 plus 4, x minus 3y minus 8 is our first equation. Okay. 6 years from now, 6 years from now, yani that means age getting plus 6 years. Mother will be twice as old as her daughter, that means 2 times. So x plus 6 equals to 2y plus 12. So x minus 2y plus 12 minus 6, plus 6 going this side, that is x minus 2y equals to 6, equation 2. So you see equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 is x minus 3y minus 8 and equation 2 x minus 2y equals to 6. So subtracting, sign getting changed. We know that during subtraction sign getting changed, this plus minus x cutting, minus 3y plus 2y minus y minus 6 minus 8 minus 14. So y equals to 14. That means her daughter age is 14. Now time for the Marina's age. So putting value of x, putting value of y, putting the value of y. So the equation is x minus 2, in place of y is write down 14, 6. So x minus 21 equals to 6. So x equals to 6 plus 28, that is 34 years. Okay, so you see Marina is 34 and her daughter is 14. 4 years ago, you see there is 3 times difference, 10 into 3, 30, 3 times difference between mother and her daughter. Okay, note.